In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore lost game progress in Monopoly Go. I know it can be really frustrating when the progress you've worked hard on in the game just disappears. Whether it was an accidental deletion, a glitch, or something else entirely, losing your progress can feel like a major setback. But don't worry, there's a straightforward way to address this. You can actually resolve this issue by contacting customer support within the game itself. Let me walk you through how to do that. First, you'll want to open up Monopoly Go on your device. As the game loads, keep an eye out for the hamburger icon, which you'll find in the top right corner of the screen. This icon looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other, and tapping it will open up a menu of options. Once you've tapped the hamburger icon, you'll notice a list of settings appear at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and tap on the Settings option to proceed. Within the Settings interface, the option you're looking for is labeled Customer Service. You should see this option prominently displayed, ready for you to select. After selecting Customer Service, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find a message balloon icon. Tapping on this icon will connect you to the support system where you can get further assistance. This is where you'll have the chance to ask for help directly from a live representative. Once you're connected with a representative, you can explain the situation regarding your lost progress. They might ask you for specific information to better assist you in recovering your lost game progress. It could be details about your account or recent activities within the game. Be ready to provide this information as it's crucial for them to pinpoint the issue and help restore your progress effectively. And that's it. You've successfully contacted customer support to help restore your game progress in Monopoly Go. It's a simple series of actions that can save you a lot of headaches and get you back on track in your game. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, comment with your own experiences or questions, and of course, subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.